OEM-style wiring harness. Quick and easy plug-in connections. Allows controller to be unplugged and moved to other vehicles. Color-coded wire match brake control standards. Works on time proportional and time-based controls. This universal harness is designed to mate with any Reese Towpower or Tekonsha brake controller. Simply wire in the harness and then plug into the controller to complete installation. This harness make it easy to move the brake controller from one vehicle to another by just unplugging. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what's needed for a clean, effective Reese brake controller installation. It's always a hassle to mate wiring to a piece of hardware. This adapter takes all the fuss and work out of attaching the brake controller to the existing wiring harness and eliminates any confusion as to which wire goes to which pen. Well worth the price in terms of clarity and simplicity of installation.